Here are the essential things you need to know about the windscreen on your car. Did you know the windscreen is more than just a curved sheet of glass? It's a key component to the structural integrity of your car's roof. In the event of a collision rollover, it supports the cabin of the vehicle and the airbags when deployed. The windscreen is made of 2 sheets of glass with a clear plastic layer between them. These layers are then fused together in a process that is known as lamination. The PVB inner layer of plastic helps prevent projectiles piercing the glass and injuring the occupants. A rock may hit a laminate windscreen when a vehicle is in motion, and this will simply chip or crack the glass windscreen. A chip or crack may be repairable, preventing a full windscreen replacement. If the windscreen is badly damaged and a crack or chip extends longer than 15 centimeters, it may need to be replaced because this damage weakens the integrity of the windscreen. This in turn could render your car unroadworthy and unsafe to drive. If a stone chip has been in the windscreen for longer than a month, your windscreen may need to be replaced as it could be contaminated by dirt, water, or detergent from your wiper washer. If there are multiple chips in the windscreen, it may be more economical to replace the whole windscreen, or if there is a chip larger than a dollar coin. If you have had a repair done and it's still in the line of sight, the repair may fail a vehicle inspection, meaning you will need the windscreen replaced in order to register the vehicle. Basically, any other damage that impairs the driver's vision or line of sight will result in a windscreen replacement. All clips, scuttle panel and wiper blades are removed from the vehicle. The trim and mouldings are removed from the outside perimeter of the windscreen, and rear view mirror and inner trims and accessories are removed from the inside of the vehicle. The windscreen glass is separated from the body of the vehicle using a wire out tool or braided thread which cuts through the urethane adhesive. The windscreen is lifted carefully from the vehicle and placed onto a windscreen stand. The excess adhesive is removed from the vehicle. The new windscreen is prepared and cleaned for installation. A new application of primer is applied to the new windscreen and to the vehicle body, which helps the new windscreen adhere to the adhesive and vehicle body. The new moulding is fitted onto the new windscreen. The windscreen is lowered into the vehicle and positioned into the adhesive. The trim is refitted to the exterior and interior of the vehicle. The scuttle panel, wiper blade arms are refitted. The windscreen is held into position with masking tape and allowed to set and cure for around 60 minutes. Then the tape is removed and the vehicle is fully set and safe to drive. In some cases, you can expect to pay $295, while in other scenarios, you may be looking at over $1,000 for a windscreen replacement. This depends on the technology attached to the windscreen, such as ADAS. ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance System. ADAS features on your vehicle may include lane detect, stop assist, emergency braking, and a range of other safety features. If you do have ADAS installed, this may need to be calibrated after the windscreen replacement. This is to ensure the safe functioning of your ADAS system. AutoGuru lets you book in windscreen replacements. You can even pay it off in full using Afterpay. Visit autoguru.com.au.